Hello everybody, on today's video we have this Tesla underseat storage bins. These things are built tough. It is made of some heavy duty material. Has an internal liner on the inside that keeps things nice and safe from moving. It's like a nice rubbery type of grip. Outside super hard plastic, and these things fit nice and snug right under the seat. They fit a whole load of different things. As you can see, I put 6 or 7 different beverages in here, and look at the height of that thing and the width and the depth. Perfect for underseat storage. You can get one of these, you can buy 2 of these if you would like. I only needed one. It came with so much different space. Goes right underneath my driver's seat. Also one for the passenger seat if you would like to get 2, which is nice as well. Once again, this is just a Tesla underseat storage bin. Use it for whatever you need underneath your seat. Beverages, drinks, storage, anything you want to put in there. It is great. And like I said, you can buy one for the passenger seat too. These things are really well built, and I think it's a must-have for your Tesla accessories. These work for the Tesla Model Y, Juniper, Model 3. Just make sure you select your proper model. Mine is the non-Juniper model, so I selected that model. Thank you guys so much for watching. That was a Tesla underseat storage bins, a must-have for Tesla owners. Thanks for watching.